Hello, hello, everybody. How are you guys doing today? Becky, Raney, and today is the last day of the BOGO. This has been just an incredible BOGO. I'm really, my specialty is with gut health, and I really feel that this is a must-have BOGO. There's still some BOGO in the box promotions going on, so let's go ahead and just get started right away. I know everybody's time is Saturday, right? So we got lots going on, and I'm busy too, so let's go ahead and just get going here. And again, today is the last day. Buy PB Assist and get DigestZen Roller for free. And so let's just do a deep dive in all what this is. This is a day 4 again. Buy PB Assist and get DigestZen 10 mil roller for free. And I just have to say that again, the probiotics are just an incredible product. I'm going to do a deep dive and having a conversation with you about why these probiotics are so powerful. They're actually a dual capsule, and I don't know if you can see the little sample of the green here. I have one right here. um, the green pill is like encapsulated with a prebiotic, and a prebiotic fiber is really important because it contains um, microorganisms and things like that in there that actually feed the probiotics. It's a fiber that feeds the microorganisms of the probiotic. And so this is really important to know because a lot of the probiotics that you buy out in the store do not have a prebiotic fiber in them. And so, in my days when I first started doing probiotics, I didn't understand what they were. I had major food issues or food allergies going on with stomach issues. And went to a naturopath and was dealing with working with her different probiotics and things like that, but they didn't help me, and we couldn't figure out what was going on. And the more research I did on my own, I realized that a prebiotic is necessary for survival of those probiotics to go through your gut acids, your stomach acids. And you also need the right kind of probiotics because there's many, many different kinds. Like I can go to different stores and I know you've seen them 50,000 CFUs, which is colony forming units. And you think 50,000, well, that should be enough to take care of me. But really, if it's not the right kind, and if they don't have a prebiotic fiber, they're not going to do any good for you. You're just wasting your money. And so doTERRAs is just an incredible product. I mean, I had tried so many different kinds. I went to my naturopath and she prescribed me the different ones that she had. I went through, I think there was 2 or 3 different formulations and things that she had. They didn't work. I ended up going to the co-op and I had to take pictures of all the different kinds that I was taking because I couldn't remember. I was in such a mess. And I even bought the, $150 probiotics that were had to be refrigerated because they wanted to keep them alive, right? Well, again, if you have really bad stomach acid in your gut, they're not going to live in there. So it's really important to do the research. I also had watched a video series called The Truth About Cancer.com, and they talk about taking probiotics where it's really important for your gut health and your gut flora because everything starts in your gut. I mean, we can look at all the different diseases and things like that that are out there. And when we map it out, your gut is the gateway to your health. So having a happy gut, you have a happy life. And so I really can't say enough about these probiotics that doTERRA has. There's 8 pages of good things that you can read about these probiotics. And so to do a quick summary here, I wanted to just let you know that I had started taking these probiotics, never looked back. Just totally, I know that if I stop taking them for like a couple of weeks, that my stomach flora starts to get out of balance. And many people just don't have the ability to uh, process that very well in your stomach as far as continued health. And so, like, I have a weak stomach when it comes to digesting food and stuff. So, I think we all need this support with all the contaminated foods and the sprays and the uh, food colorings and all the pesticides and everything that we find as toxicity in our food supply. How can we not need a little support to help with our gut health? So this is just a huge, huge thing. It's a must-have. I really encourage you to take this on if you're struggling with anything to do with health-wise. This is a good start. So here are a few hacks and facts about this. Take a few capsules daily. Now I just take one a day, but maybe if you're getting started, three a day would be a good start to be able to get that right balance. And then if you're taking it over a longer period of time, just balance it down to once a day. Now, some people go through and do a detox, and going through and doing a mild cleanse that doTERRA has is just incredible cleanse, so super calming. It's not very harsh, I guess I should say. And then you go through and do these prebiotics afterwards. It's just a life changing process. So um, now I'm going to talk a little bit about the digestion oil because this is my favorite oil. This is the oil that I started out with. It was the first oil that I got introduced with. And this is a 15 ml bottle. It's not part of the promo, but I had this slide and I felt like it was a good one to pop in here to explain to people what the blend of DigestZen is. It's a blend of peppermint, coriander, ginger, caraway, cardamom, fennel, and anise essential oils. This can be rubbed on your stomach. It can be taken internally, and also some people like to diffuse it or just rub some in your, put a drop in your hand and smell it. It's very supportive in maybe if you're dealing with some motion sickness or diminishing the queasiness or stomach upset. It's really good for may supporting your body and bloating and gas. And if you're feeling sluggish, there's reasons for that. Again, detoxing is a good thing to consider. And it's also a great companion for traveling. That's what I really like about the 10 ml bottle is it makes it very convenient to roll on your stomach to carry around in your purse or if the kids are having a bad day or something, sometimes it's just a grumpy gut, right? So this is my go-to. I love this oil. I love the smell of it. And if you want more questions and more details about gut health, please reach out to me. I'd be happy to give you some good information on some protocols that I've done to be able to get myself back on track. So this is the last day of the BOGO, and what an incredible BOGO this is that you can buy all these oils that we talked about all week long that were part of the buy one, get one free, and they're all wrapped around sleeping and helping with a good night's rest and helping support gut health. And if you buy the BOGO in the box, you actually get a free TerraZyme. And this TerraZyme is also a product that we talk about that is including helping digestive issues with the gut. So if you have a big meal, stomach upset or stomach issues, I'm trying really hard to say this compliantly, but it's really amazing for this discomfort that goes on. So you can take one or two with each meal, take it maybe a half hour beforehand with each meal. Super helpful for helping break down the food in your stomach so you can move that through your system more quickly. And we take this every day. I love it, and I think my stomach is very happy that I made that decision. So if you get the box, here are all the oils that are involved in the box. You get the Vetiver Touch 10 ml roller with the Lavender Touch 10 ml roller. You get Spearmint 15 ml bottle with the Meta Power, you guys. There's a whole bunch of stuff that we've been doing about all around the Meta Power, which is a metabolic blend for helping level out those glucose levels. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love this oil. It's just an incredible one. Also, yesterday was a doTERRA Serenity Restful Complex soft gels, and then you get cedarwood. Again, that's all supporting your restful night's sleep. And then today is the PB Assist, and you get the DigestZen Touch. So super amazing. The wholesale price, you guys, is only 138.50. Alone, I was buying probiotics for $150. So this is just like, look at all these. You get basically 9 products for the price of 4. So who wouldn't want that BOGO in the box? And get this on your LRP if you're already a member. And if you're not a member, actually, we have an amazing thing. If this is the first time, This really seriously is a good first introduction kit. It's very focused on sleep and digestive issues. So, if you're first time ordering, I really would love to consider having you purchase something like the Deep Blue Rub, something that is a value of about $35 or more, gives you 33 PV. And when you order that, adding additional to the BOGO box, you get a free pebble diffuser. You guys, this is like such an incredible deal, and I just am going cartwheels over this. I don't even know how to explain how exciting this is, and, I think it's just a really great way to get started, and if you're interested in doing that, please reach out to me or reach out to the person who invited you to, get started. And here is also a, ebook regarding all the amazing things on the doTERRA BOGO, all the products and things like that. So take a scan of this QR code using the camera feature. You just take a look over it. It's just mouse it over that, and it will actually take you right to the PDF of this ebook. And also, we want to talk about another reason why joining doTERRA. You can take advantage of the loyalty reward program. And, if you're like me, you want to have more essential oils that are free, and you get to take advantage by every month placing an order, like with the probiotics and the enzymes, and maybe considering the lifelong vitality supplements would be something you would place on a loyalty reward auto ship. And you earn free points. And these points add up. After a year's time, you'll get 30% back in product value, and that ends up being like 55% because you're getting your wholesale membership at 25% discount, plus the additional 30% back in the loyalty reward program after a year's time. And you're saving so much money, and I love it. So, again, doTERRA is all talking about the living a wellness lifestyle. We're working on the digestive and nutrition area right now, and the rest and managing stress area. But doTERRA is all encompassing everything self care, informing self care regarding detoxing the home, our lifestyle changes. It's just so important, and it's such a beautiful community to be a part of because we get to share together all of our experiences as well as maybe recipes and different things we're doing to be proactive in our wellness care. And now more than ever is the time to be doing that, right? So when you're thinking about what are your health priorities over this pandemic, I think so many people are waking up to, oh my gosh, what is my immune system? What are some of the things I could be doing different for my family to be able to be proactive in my care? And, some people are dealing with health issues over a long, long time. Like for me, my gut issues, I dealt with them probably since I was in the third grade or earlier when I was diagnosed with ulcers. And I had major stomach issues my whole life. And to know that these products are so powerful, so easy, so effective that you can't not help but share these oils with other people. And I sit there and think back on how much it's cost me over time, doctor visits, tests, and studies, and going through and having them tell me that there was nothing wrong with me. And you guys, this is such an important thing. I had a friend who just lost his sister due to health issues. And you guys, this is serious. We really want to take a look at what we can do to help support you with your health priorities. So, again, to get started, contact the person who invited you, and or that could be me, right? And let me know what you're interested in purchasing the BOGO box. Take a scan of that QR code. I believe that should get you right there, and my ID number. You can look at that on the video recording here as well to be able to get this order taken care of. So I will have that written down on the YouTube channel, the link to actually place your order. This is a limited time offer, so if you're watching this after the BOGO box is available, sorry about that, you guys. It's one of those things that we always have to jump on it right away, and it's timely. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this was really helpful for you. So take care, and let's see if I can just say, I really appreciate who you are and look forward to working with you down the road. Take care.